In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and delete Safari downloads on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Safari browser and then open up some website. I'll just go to apple.com and from here I can save some content. Let it be that image, so I can just hold down on that image and then hit on download linked file. Now the file has been downloaded and let me show you how you can easily find it. So I'll hop out Safari and now I need to open up Files app, and now here you can first, if it shows browse here, tap on that to see all that browser features, and now there just under favorites you can find downloads. You may have there two different downloads folder. The first is on your iPhone and the second is at iCloud Drive. And now as you can see, I use my iCloud Drive for saving downloads, and right here I can scroll down until I find the picture that I have just saved, and then I can just hold down on that picture and then hit on delete to delete it from my iCloud Drive storage. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.